The 2018 motoring calendar is back open for business, and with it comes the Sunday Scramble at Bicester Heritage, which is where I'm going today on a beautiful morning in January. And the car I'm taking? The Aston Martin DB11. So we're heading to the Bicester Heritage Sunday Scramble, one of the best events in the calendar, and this is the first one of 2018. I find it quite therapeutic when I sit down in the Aston and have no music on and just listen to the engine. So Aston Martin have been top of the cool list for as many years as I can remember, and there's a good reason for that. They're Aston Martin. Even their logo, which is however many years old, looks cool. Oh, the perils of countryside. I don't want to go up there. You're gonna make me go on the grass, mate, honestly. You're in a tractor. Jesus, I'm not on an off-road car. That's unacceptable. Tractor drivers, that is unacceptable. You do not make somebody in an Aston Martin go off-road just so you can get your tractor through. My turning circle's not that good. You're in a Yaris. Ooh, I'm impressed. Impressive turning circle. What a beautiful day for a Sunday Scramble. So we've arrived at Bicester Heritage for the first Sunday Scramble of the year, and we've parked outside the wonderful Classic Performance Engineering. So I want to go and have a look in here and see what they've got, because I can see a sneaky D-type in there, and we love a good D-type. Fire station, that's nice. One of the charming things about this is people get dressed up. They enjoy coming here. You've got the home guard, we've got numerous car clubs, and you've got modern and old cars. Brilliant place. They've really done a fantastic job with it. So I have seen a rather tasty 812 Superfast, which we're going to go and see now. Follow me, Mr. Stoner. Follow me. Oh, look who we found. It's Craig Callum.
How you doing?
Lego designer,
yeah,
car nut. How are you?
All right, not too bad. Chilly.
What are you in today?
We came in Amy's Mini.
Fantastic. The white one.
The white one.
Very nice.
We spent the entire day yesterday
cleaning,
getting ready. Yeah. If only it was cleaning. No, so it's good. Yeah, good to be here. There's so much stuff here today, though. It's overwhelming.
It's mad, isn't it? It's mad. This is one of the best events of the whole year because everybody comes here because it's. And look, 911R. 812 Superfast. There's an Indian bike. Have you seen the Indian bike?
Yeah, it was. Have you seen it running?
No, I've heard it running. I've heard it running. And you're a bike man, aren't you?
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah.
I'm not.
Oh, okay.
I've never been on a motorbike.
What did you come in anyway?
We're in DB11.
Nice.
Cobalt Blue DB11. It's just over by Classic Performance Engineering.
Awesome.
So have a good look at that.
Go and have a check
here we are. Here's the Superfast. This is the car I was coming over to see. That's now relocating. That is lovely.
Oh, you came to check this one out?
I came to check this one out now, yeah. And,
well, there you go.
Such a good looking car in that colour. I want to say it's Tour de France blue. That's probably wrong, I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe that's an outtake, I'm not sure.
You can make it look Tour de France blue.
Exactly,
afterwards.
exactly. Craig, absolute pleasure, lovely to see you.
See you again.
Instagram handle is?
C for Craig, C for Callum.
C for Craig, C for Callum. Look him up, guys. All right, see you soon. The first things first, my hands are so cold I can't feel them. That's the irrelevant part. The relevant part, however, is this. The Leighton House Formula 1 car. That's beautiful. I'm here with Dan, he knows everything about this car. Tell me about the Leighton House Formula 1 car.
Well, Signez, Ivan Kelly, and Mauricio Gugelmin were the drivers. I think this was the...
Very well pronounced as well. You've done that before.
Yeah. I think it was designed by Adrian Newey.
Designed by Adrian Newey. Wow, I think you're right actually. I seem to recall. And this is something to do with Darren Turner.
Is he?
He was posting on his Twitter about this car earlier today.
Really? Is he here?
Yeah, I don't know if he's here, but Aston Martin Racing, that'd be very, very cool.
Oh, yeah, cool.
Yeah, nice. Fantastic. Thanks, Dan. Pleasure as always. Your hands are very warm.
See you later, man.
Take care. Oh, yes. Listen to that. Love a good fat body Carrera. So I found this GTC4 Lusso, the absolute epitome of what an estate car should look like, or shooting brake, or whatever you want to call it. Grigio Silverstone, I'm being told. Is that right? Who knows? But it's nice. And there is another Ferrari here that it blows my mind every time I see it. It's owned by a Mr. Sam Moores, and he's got two of his cars over here. So follow me, and we'll go over to his storage where they are kept. So it's a fact, every single Ferrari left, every F40, sorry, left the factory in red. Well, this one's not red. It's not white, and it's not black. It's blue. So I've come upon the Porsche Club GB area, and the one car that I really, really like is this. It's the Steve McQueen 911 from the film Le Mans. Have a look. Is that not the greatest colour on that car? And I want to say, inspiration behind the 1 millionth Porsche 911. Nearly started. Or not. Go on! Yes! No, it's not started. So whoever says that three-wheeled motoring is over is wrong. Morgan have brought back these, and they are awesome looking cars. I've seen them with all kinds of dogfighting stickers and RAF logos on the side. These look amazing. So great to see these out and about in weather that is particularly Baltic this morning. So I've come upon Harry Frazer Vehicle Upholsterers just here. They've got a stunning DB5, which I'm going to go and have a look at and have a chat to him about what they're doing with this particular car. So follow me, and we're going to go and talk to David. David.
Hello, Dom.
Hello, how are you?
How are you?
Yes, very well, thank you. So tell me all about this DB5 and what you're doing to it here.
Well, the DB5, we've been doing some work on it. Last year we did the seats on it. The gentleman that owns it wants the materials to be kept as original, so there's been a lot of repair work done on the original seats. And at the moment we've got the door cards off. As you can see, there's a lot of water damage on the door card itself.
These are the original door cards?
The originals
wow.
Off the car from the early 60s. So at the moment what I'm doing, we're allowed to change the wooden door card, obviously, because that won't be seen. But the leather, in order to get the leather off in one piece, I'm able to take it off and then feed it so it regains its suppleness. So at the moment it's quite nice and soft now. First thing this morning when I took it off, it was like a piece of hard cardboard.
Because it's so cold.
Cold and dry, and so this is like a really nice sort of hand cream leather food. So by painting up lots and lots of layers on there, it's gradually regaining its suppleness now.
Gotcha.
So once that's soaked in, then next week we'll be able to take this off, make some new wooden door cards, and then refit it. There's obviously a lot of repair work to do on the front of it.
Wow. Yeah.
We can do this with a leather filler and then paint it back to the right colour.
Fantastic. How long does it take to do a restoration such as this?
Oh, it can be into the weeks, easily into the weeks, depending on what the customer.
Not a quick job.
Definitely not a quick job. No.
Brilliant. Well, look, thank you very much for your time. I'm going to leave you to your hand cream. You've got very soft hands.
Oh, it's lovely, yes.
See you soon.
Yeah, cheerio.
Thanks, David. So I've come across Dan. Dan, hello.
Good to meet you.
How are you? So
Yeah, I'm all right.
we're going to talk to you all about your photography.
Yeah.
So when did you get started?
I got started about 11 months ago in about February last year. I've been doing photography for ages, but I wasn't being paid for it.
Okay.
So I worked down in London for a little while in winter 2016, and then I came back home, back to Birmingham, and then decided that I wanted to go freelance. So yeah, went freelance from there.
And it's just cars you do? Is it lifestyle?
It's a bit of everything really. So I'm still quite small at the moment. So mate, I like to do cars. That's what I want to do most. But anything that will pay me at the moment. So beauty salons, which is I've done before.
Bit different.
Yeah. I've done nail salons as well, and anything basically. So yeah, lifestyle, but mainly cars.
And is this the first time you've come to Bicester Heritage?
No, it's actually the second time.
Second time.
I was here in October last year, and I just loved it. So I'm just coming back every single time.
Lastly, what's your Instagram handle?
Dan Barnett Media.
Dan Barnett Media. Thank you very much, sir. Have a great day. We'll see you later. All right. I've had an amazing day here at the Sunday Scramble at Bicester Heritage. They really do know how to put on a great show. So it's time for me to go home, sit in front of a fire and have some lunch. So see you soon.